Hey there, let's take a look at what Elle Studio has released today on May 10th. First up, we have the monthly kit. And I love the monthly kit every month. It is such a staple to the things I create, whether it's my layouts, my pocket pages, cards, you name it. Oh, don't forget traveler's notebooks. It's a great thing to have on hand to create with. So this month I've already cut out these die cuts. So usually they're on two 4 by 6 inch sheets and you just pop them out very simply. But I've already popped those out. So I'm just showing you each individual one here. There's lots of really colorful labels this month, which I always find helpful when I'm creating my projects. I love adding this date to them, a little bit of journaling, where we were, that sort of thing. So labels always come in handy. I also really like those kind of tabs that are great to go on the edge of a photo, especially the one that says favorite snapshot, group photo, those ones there. That little black one was one that I had stamped and cut out. So when I do that, I usually add it to my die cuts just so that I have that available. Also really love these 1, 2, 3 and the heart arrows there too. So lots of fun die cuts this month. Let's take a look at the tags. So there's always a few 4 by 6 inch tags. This one is definitely my favorite. I love how graphic and colorful that is. And so there are three 4 by 6 inch tags this month, and the rest are 3 by 4 inch tags. They give a lot of pattern. They add lots of room for journaling. I love that book tag there. The butterfly, the arrows, some more color on that stripe. A dad heart, yellow is always my favorite. Fun. Love this place, location. This tag here is really special to me because I was in Oklahoma in high school, so I sing that song a lot. If you don't know it, just go Google Oklahoma, oh what a beautiful morning. It'll get stuck in your head. So lots of beautiful tags this month in the May kit. Next, we're checking out the May labels. So they have lots of little phrases on them, a lot of beautiful color. Those are a great thing to add to your kit purchase. Then we also have a couple of different journaling tag sets. The On This Day in May is a great tag to have on hand if you plan to do Week in the Life. You can add your journaling to that. You'll have some repetition in your album. Then there's also this book review tag. So if you're a book reader, if you like to keep track of what you thought about your books through the year, that's a great journaling tag for you to have on hand. This month we also have a brand new 6 by 6 paper stack. Now remember that these do not have adhesive on them, so you don't have to get frustrated if one accidentally tears. This is called Beautiful Day. Each sheet is single-sided, nice and thick, so you don't have to worry about covering up another pattern on the back. Lots of beautiful colors in this one. I really, really love them. There's just screaming summer to me, and they make me want to go outside or go in the pool. Really bright colors. I love that green. That coral is my favorite at the moment. A light wood grain, a pretty yellow, and a butterfly print as well. So lots of great patterns there to coordinate with the monthly kit this month. We also have label stickers and read phrase stickers. So again, if you like to read and you like to document your books, it's a great thing to have. I'm definitely going to be using that Library Day sticker as we go to the library once a week in my family, so we will definitely use that. Now for embellishments, we have the beautiful The Good Life wood veneer. We have the Play wood veneer words. These match that 4 by 6 inch tag from the kit. And we have the Read acrylic. I just want to show you guys the little details on here. There's a little heart and some little dashes on the edge of the books there. So you can definitely see that if you're looking at it on the layout up close. Next up, we have the Everyday Goodness epoxy stickers. So if you want to add a different texture to your project, these are great to have to add a little bit of shine, a lot of color. They are just gorgeous. Circles and rectangles with different sayings on them. I just love them. These are hand-drawn acrylic hearts to coordinate with the kit this month. Those have been a favorite item. These two new different puffy stickers this month. We have fuchsia and pink. So I love that fuchsia color. I'm definitely going to have to use that. And fuchsia is a great color in the kit this month. We also have two new stamp sets, the Everyday Phrases Volume 2. These are very usable phrases that you can use on your project life, on your layouts. On repeat is a great one for project life. The Good Life stamp is also another great one to have. I love that you can create your own journaling tags there with the boxes on the left. So if you're not a kit subscriber yet, my question for you is, what are you waiting for? This May kit is absolutely gorgeous and it's the greatest time to become a kit subscriber. Look at all the goodies that you get in this kit for only $9.99. Plus you have the add-ons that you get to bundle with your kit. They coordinate with the kit so you can have an easy creative time when you do have that time to sit down to create. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video. Be sure to check out the Elle Studio shop at the link in my video notes. Happy creating!